Alright traders, I'm back again with another video, and today I'm taking a little time just to tell you about my website and to show you one other thing that I have. It's gonna really help you guys out if we can really get this thing going. So the thing we have here is fx@oneglance.com. You have to come to that site first, and this is my website where I'll be doing a lot of things on this site. I'm gonna try to do as much as I can to help you guys get better at trading the Ichimoku system and other things besides Ichimoku, such as support and resistance, fractals, and you know, whatever it may be, Fibonacci. I'm not going to dwell in things that I don't know, so we'll stick with the things that I know and trade, and hopefully I can help you guys out. But come to my site, it's fx@oneglance.com. Here's the home page you were looking at. Then you have another page about us, all about Ichimoku. We'll have everything about Ichimoku listed under there. Then you have your technical analysis section with support and resistance, fractals, and other things that we'll list. Here's the blog page. So here's the blog. You go to the blog and I have things listed here. Comment on some of these blog things that you see listed, because you can read more and then comment here. So you read more and then you can post a comment if you want to. Alright, so just post your comment and let me know what you think, what you liked about that, if you didn't like it at all. And then we have our resources page where there's educational things that'll tell you about the courses that we have. We got a video page. There's videos on this page. This page has videos from other sites, but there's also, like, this site has a lot of things with support and resistance, forecast and analysis, forex markets and stuff to that nature. So they have movers and shakers, economic calendar. So they have a lot of things they're talking about here. But underneath of that, you see a listing for Chaos Trader 63 playlist, and underneath that's all my videos. So you could click on there and watch my videos on my site. You don't have to go to YouTube to find them. You can find them right here. But even though YouTube will have most of the updated ones, there's mostly updated here too, but I have to keep making sure they're updated. So both places you could check it out and get both of those. And then I also have some daily market commentary that's not listed by me. It's from someone else that I allow to do on my site here. So you could see that that's going to be daily. And then I have a members page and then some tools that you guys could use. On the tools page we have let's see what we got on here. So we have another video section that has the economic calendar and things of that nature. We have the live rates scrolling across the screen. Okay, then we have the calendar. Like I said, we got a pip calculator and some live charts that you could use. Okay, but what I really wanted to tell you about, and here's a page where you can contact me. You can contact me and just subscribe to my mailing list, or if you have anything you want to ask me, you can use this form down here and I get the email and I'll respond to it. And then I have a members account. This is a membership account, and that's not active yet, but it will be because I have some things coming out that I'll be putting on there. But right now what I really wanted to talk about was this, the Chaos Trader 63 forum. Okay, if you click on that, it'll take you to this forum here. It's going to be Chaos Trader 63 Ichimoku forum. So on here we're going to have introduce yourself, let's talk Ichimoku, Ichimoku components. But then here's the big thing: we're going to have Ichimoku trades and analysis on here. I'm going to list trades that I'm taking, not all trades that I'm taking, but some that I feel that you guys would really like to know about and maybe enter yourself. And even other people, I'd like you guys to post your trades on here, and we could, break them down, analyze the trades, and talk about what you did right or wrong on the trade. And I can do the same thing with my trades. Then here's going to be all with the Ichimoku courses that I'm offering. That'll all be listed here. Then I have an announcement page, and then forum feedback and ideas. So if you have any feedback or ideas that you want to tell me or ask me about, just put them in here and we'll be able to try to make things a little better, make things more up to your guys' liking, so that we could do things that you guys want to do and keep it interesting. But I want to start a little community here where we have our traders on here and we talk about things and get to know about this Ichimoku system a lot better. Now you can't get on this page unless you join. So you have to join as a member, and it's free. You don't have to pay, but you have to put a member login and you have to do that to get on here and look at anything. So if you don't do that, you won't be able to even view the pages. You won't even be able to just read. But once you get on there, you can post things and you can download or upload things. So what I'm going to do is, for everybody that joins, when you join onto the forum, I'm going to just give you this two things right here. I'm going to give you the master trade log that I've shown you guys before. So here it is right here. And I'll go over how to use it again, but it's going to have your time frames, and this is all done for you to do right here with your currency pairs. Put your date, your time frame, your these are the things that you need to ask yourself before you take a trade, so they'll all be listed here, and you can answer those questions and then take your trade. And then it'll calculate your stop loss, it'll calculate your distance of your stop loss, your exit price. Once you exit, it'll give you your pip total, your profit loss and pips. And then you can also put notes down here. So if you have anything that happened in the trade or that you want to know, mark about the trade, just put it in there. Whoops, just put it in here, put your notes in here. And then actually this needs to be centered, so have that centered, and then put your notes in there. And then let me save that real quick like that. So put your notes in there. You'll have your notes in here, be able to put notes that you want to talk about or that you want to remind yourself about a trade. But then the big thing that you need to make sure you do all the time is to put your trade in there. So put your chart in there. So the way you do that is you'll have to save it onto a clipboard, and I could do that with the FXCM software. So what you'll do here, when you start the trade, after you fill that all out, put a picture of the trade in there. So just copy it onto your clipboard or something, and then paste it in there, and then you have it in there. And then when you get done with the trade, do the same thing, paste it in there. Boom, you have it in there. It shows you when you enter the trade and when you get out of the trade. You'll see all of that, and it'll help your trading a lot. It's just a journal for you. So you have all the trades down here, then you can keep doing it. Then it also keeps tabs of your monthly pips. So once you put a trade in here, it'll total it all down here for you. So that's all a good thing. And then another thing that I'll give you